What if I told you this entire video was created by AI? And better yet, what if I told you that you can make money doing the same? In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how AI-generated videos like this can help you build an income stream without filming a single shot. The first step is choosing the right AI tool to generate stunning animations like this one. No design skills needed. AI-powered platforms can turn simple text prompts into professional videos in minutes. How to start? Use Runway ML Gen 2 for ultra-realistic AI animations. Try Pika Labs for cinematic AI motion videos. Customize lighting, depth, and effects to make unique content. Now that you have an AI-generated video, let's talk about making money with it. Here are 3 proven ways to monetize AI videos. Method 1. YouTube monetization. Post AI-generated videos on YouTube and earn from ads, sponsorships, and memberships. Target high-earning niches like finance, tech, travel, and AI content. Method 2. Selling AI videos. Offer AI-generated content on Fiverr, Upwork, and Adobe Stock. Businesses are paying $50, $500 per AI video. Method 3. Stock footage licensing. Upload AI clips to Pond5 and Shutterstock. Earn royalties every time someone downloads your content. Want to scale your AI video business? Automation is the key. Here's how you can streamline AI content creation and boost your earnings. AI automation hacks. ChatGPT generate viral YouTube video scripts. ElevenLabs AI voiceovers for seamless narration. Canva and Midjourney AI-powered thumbnails and branding. YouTube SEO tools, VidIQ and TubeBuddy. Optimize videos for growth. And there you have it. The exact blueprint to start making money with AI-generated videos. What do you think? Will AI video creation be your next income stream? Let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe for more AI money hacks. Links to AI tools and resources in the description.